Okay, I can't see anything. But anyway, this is a line of pickup trucks just off of I-90 before you're getting into La Crosse. I can't see a thing. Too much sun. But these things have been kind of a, I don't know, icon along the, I seen anything along I-90 right before La Crosse, Wisconsin for many, many years, and I've always been kind of curious to know a little bit more about them. And how am I looking here? Oh, down a little bit too far. Okay. So we finally figured out these are right behind Woodman's. So here we are. How am I looking? Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, I don't think these are roadworthy. Yeah, not very roadworthy at all. So, now I can see a little better. Old Fords. Imagine that. And that concludes the pickups along I-90 right before La Crosse, Wisconsin. Take her easy. Goodbye.